And now, recovery track, hip hop. Let's start. Cover your face like a mask. And go down. Go up, open and close. Open your arms, and again your mask. Bounces, down, up, down. Up, open, close. Remember. And down. Double hip. Double. Open mouth. Yes. Very easy. 3 double hips. Slide. Yeah. You got it? One more time. Watch now. Double. Move your hip. Now fast march. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Double. Woo! Fast march. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Now come forward. Look, double. Come forward. Come forward and go back with fast march. And stop. One more time. Double. Come on. Diagonals. Come back. Stop. Now fingers. Watch. Stay there. Switch. Come back. And now pose balance. Up and down. Again. Woo! Come back. Stop. And side to side. Again. Fingers with double hip. Come back. Stop. Last time. Very good. Easy. Come back. Down. Bounces. Go down. Double, single. Double and stop. Yes. Easy. Are you ready? Double. Single. Double and stop. Okay, now at chest and hands. Double. Go. Single. Double and stop. Yes. Once again. Double. Double. Double and stop. Remember the beginning. Fingers and hip. Come on. Double. Come on. And forward. Fast march. Pose. And hold. Double. And pose. Yes. From the top again. Are you ready? Second chance. Double fingers. Come back. Stop. Stay there. Double. Double. Very good. Okay. Slow motion. Relax. Feet together and open. Walk. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Got it? Once again. Feet together. Go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now we have to add the part from beginning. Watch. 1 and 2. Remember. 3 and 4. Go down. And 6, 7 and 8. Again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Bounces. Go up. Are you ready faster? Watch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Open. Woo! Relax. Now jump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Are you ready from the top? From the double hip. Go. Double. Come back. Stop. Double. Single. Double. Pose. Feet together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and hip. Very good. Come back. Stop. Double. And stop. Feet together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down. One more time. Double. This is your last. Come back. Woo! Double. Energy. Feet together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.